This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
Time now is 12:13. We're taking a live look out in Greenfield for this Wednesday afternoon. We can see a lot of sun, but some mixed clouds here. Greenfield got hit pretty good yesterday in terms of the severe weather. And once again, we do have that weather alert up because of the threat for some more storms as we go into the evening for later today. But for right now, we're fine out there. Heat advisory continues until 8 p.m. this evening. The heat index around 100 degrees as we go into the middle of the afternoon, especially with air temperature getting to right around 90 degrees. And of course, you factor in that humidity. What it feels like is the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. That's the heat index. We got that breeze coming in right out of the south. Winds are going to stay fairly light out of the south, around 5 to 10 miles per hour through much of the afternoon. Temperatures out there in the 80s up and down the valley now are 85 in Westfield, 82 Northampton, 83 in Greenfield. And these dew points are also into the 70s now for most of us. It is a very humid start to the afternoon once again. So as we go throughout the day, we are going to be seeing these temperatures getting into the low 90s for most of us, especially here in the lower valley as we go through the middle of the afternoon. We do fall back into the 70s and even the upper 60s for tonight. Again, very humid out there. But the good news is today is the last day, at least for a little bit, in terms of this high tropical oppressive humidity that we've been dealing with the last few days. So today, very humid with those storms coming through this evening and that cold front. We're going to see the humidity start to back off. I think especially Friday. Friday looks to be a beautiful day. Lots of sun, very low humidity. Really nice for the month of July. And then maybe a little bit of an uptick in the humidity here, but really no big deal. I think the oppressive humidity stays away for a little bit. So hot and humid out there as we go throughout the day. We got that chance for an evening thunderstorm. That is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. Tomorrow is a quiet day. Sun and clouds, less humid. We stay nice and dry as we go down towards the weekend. Sunny, 80s, lower humidity going into Saturday and Sunday. So right now, ESP Live Doppler radar, you can see most of us are dry. There is one sprinkle, light shower here, moving just out of Hampshire County into southern Franklin County. This is moving to the northeast here, so Leverett, you're just about to get into those showers at the moment. Even South Amherst, really no big deal though. Very light, more of a few droplets of rain. But you can see that off to the west, we got these showers starting to develop as that higher humidity, any sun coming out, creating some instability, and we're going to have to watch for the chance for some thunderstorms heading into the evening on the 22 Storm Team severe thunderstorm threat here. We got a level 2 out of 5. Again, the scale's 1 to 5, 5 being the most significant threat for severe weather, 1 being the least significant threat. Level 2, so a little elevated for all of western Massachusetts as we go into the evening. So for the 22 Storm Team Skycast here, 12 o'clock, we got that sun and cloud mix as we go through the middle of the afternoon, 3 p.m., a mostly sunny sky. Really at any given time, though, because of the high humidity, could be a spot sprinkle in a few spots, so can't rule that out. But here comes that line of some thunderstorms coming in for the evening. 5 p.m. here, moving through Berkshire County into the valley right around the evening commute, 6 p.m. You can see some of these really strong thunderstorm cells that Skycast is picking up on here. Some heavy rain, gusty winds, which in some of these thunderstorm cells, there is the chance that some of these wind gusts could get up to or possibly exceed 60 miles per hour, similar to what we saw yesterday. And even some small hail is possible as well. Here we are, 8 p.m., still some downpours, a rumble of thunder, and then we do try to dry things up during the overnight, maybe a passing shower around midnight. But in terms of severe weather, this is the time frame you need to watch out for. So what to know? Storms could develop really as soon as 3 o'clock this afternoon. 3 to 11 p.m. is that time frame that storms will be able to really develop. But the main threat for severe weather is 5 to 10 p.m. Again, right around the evening rush hour. Strong to severe thunderstorms, heavy rain could cause minor flooding, but we really got to watch those strong winds and the minor small hail possible embedded in some of these storms. So 90 to 94 out there as we go throughout the rest of the day. Heading through tonight, we'll be into the 60s and low 70s. Showers and storms before midnight. After midnight, we turn partly cloudy. And for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, once we get through the storms for later today, it's very quiet over the next few days. Thursday all the way down through next Monday, it is sunny, it's warm, it's less humid, temperatures in the 80s, and our next chance of rain doesn't come until around next Tuesday of next week. If you want to stay updated with this forecast, you could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.